What's the meaning of blanket finish? Blanket finish. Blanket finish.
Blanket finish. Blanket finish. Blanket finish is a term commonly used in horse racing to describe a race where the horses cross the finish line so closely together that it looks as if a blanket could cover them all. It typically implies that the race was very close and the outcome could have gone either way. In some cases, the margin of victory is so small that it requires the use of technology like photo finishes to determine the winner. A blanket finish can be exciting for spectators, but it can also be frustrating for bettors who may have had their money riding on a particular horse. Overall, it is a testament to the competitive spirit of the athletes and their trainers.